Okay, I got the all my tires and wheels mounted, balanced, and installed. These are 33 by 10.5, 15 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2s. My suspension on this was supposed to be a stock four-wheel drive spring. Looks like I'll have plenty of clearance. This fender is not bolted in, it's set yet. Here's the back, right there, pan out, okay. Can't flip it around, but that comes up to me right there. And I got the other side installed. I went with a factory 15-inch by 6.5 wheel that was like standard on mid 80s to 93 Dodge trucks, 5 by 5.5 lug pattern. I would have liked to gone with 17s, but those seem to be a lot harder to find. So, but the 10.5 wide tire seems to fit on there good. Doesn't, so I'll use them.